Hey folks, Bill here. I did that Splitwood fire with the Victorinox Farmer about a week ago. Today I was going to do another video with another Splitwood fire with a pocket knife. This time it's going to be a Splitwood fire with a liner lock, full serrated Ontario Utilitac. See, I don't know if you'll be able to pick it up. That's the collector's first production run. I've used this guy for probably had this one for 3 or 4 years now, since even longer than that. Well, about 2011. I've done a couple Splitwood fires with it before. You can see, guys, it's used pretty good. I'm gonna try and do it. Splitwood fire, light it with a fire steel, maybe with some fat wood. I don't know. We'll just see how it goes. Just see how the knife performs. Got a knot in this one right here, so I'll get rid of that for now. You can see I'm going right through that knot. This was one stick. I just cut it in 2 sections just to make it a little easier. Maybe I'll title it serrated knife Splitwood fire instead of one stick fire, technically. Got a little bit of curve in this one, so let's see. It's a little tougher with the serrated knife because it wants to bite in different spots on the blade. You can see right there. Oh, you'll be able to see what I was talking about right there. The serrations on the blade were catching in different spots on the wood, and that was making a little tougher time to split it, but it was still doing it. So let's get this guy quartered, and then we'll start breaking down. Okay. Got it split down for the most part. Still going strong. Let's keep going at it. And if we get this in the splitting on, if it's, yeah, it's just going to bend, so set that aside for some fuel wood. Use that for the feather stick. Okay, we got large fuel wood right there. Let's get these guys split down for some smaller stuff. Accident. That's not from it's from being careless. Oh well. If you use knives enough, you'll get cut eventually. And if you're careless, you'll get cut even more, so be careful. Or don't. It's up to you. I probably won't be. See? Let's wipe that off real quick. It's just a little flesh wound, nothing serious. Beat it through that knot. Not the most careful way of doing it, but to get it split down a little thinner, it works. Okay. I don't think I'll need that much smaller prep, so let's start making some shavings and feathers. Here's where I feel the serrated blade really gives you a mechanical advantage. Oh, hold on. Be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. Mrs. was yelling, so I went and helped her out real quick. Keep this stuff on the bandana. Just flip it over. Still, okay. Grab an A stick. That looks like it'll be pretty good. What I'm going to do, since this wood's a little green, I'm going to use a piece of fat wood, put some shavings into it. Okay, that should be enough. So done with the knife. Pile this all up in here. Grab all our fuel. Gorgeous stuff. Shouldn't be too hard to start with the fat wood shavings in there, so move our bandana. There we go. Use that guy as a brace. Small feeder stuff on. That's all kind of catching. There we go, guys. That's a Splitwood fire with a serrated pocket knife. Nothing too fancy. And that'll be it, guys. Thanks for watching. Take it easy, and I'll see you in the woods. Just finished up that Splitwood fire with the Ontario Utilitac. Just wanted to take a moment and thank everyone. I just passed 3,000 subscribers. I'm over 1 million views on my Google Plus page, and I just want to thank all my subscribers, my followers on Google Plus. Just thanks, guys. I appreciate all the views, the comments, the shares, the likes, all of it. This YouTube bushcraft community we have, it's a real nice, tight-knit little group we have, and it's good that we have it. It's nice to have somewhere we can share the stuff we do, have some like-minded folks, and share our videos with each other. That's all I wanted to say, guys. Thanks. Take it easy, guys.